Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur is a symbol of luxury, blending British craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance. Known for its stately presence, this luxury sedan has been updated to offer an even more refined driving experience, combining powerful performance with an elegant and comfortable interior that caters to the most discerning tastes. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur continues to redefine the standards for luxury sedans, embodying Bentley's ethos of performance and sophistication. Available in a range of trims, including the new hybrid variants, it caters to those who want both a powerful machine and an environmentally considerate option. The car features advanced tech and premium materials that prioritize driver and passenger comfort, making it a luxurious sanctuary on wheels. The interior of the 2025 Flying Spur is a masterclass in opulence, crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, fine wood veneers, and custom metal accents dominate the cabin, offering a tactile experience like no other. Seats are sculpted to maximize comfort, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions to cater to long-distance drives. An advanced infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen and connectivity features ensures both entertainment and convenience. Additionally, customizable ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and an optional rear seat entertainment package elevate the in-cabin experience. The exterior design of the 2025 Flying Spur exudes sophistication and confidence. With a bold front grille, sculpted lines, and Bentley's signature round headlights, the sedan has a commanding presence on the road. Aerodynamic enhancements contribute to both performance and efficiency, while larger alloy wheel options allow for customization that complements its muscular stance. Attention to detail extends to subtle accents like the illuminated Flying B hood ornament, a hallmark of Bentley design that adds a sense of grandeur. The sleek and elongated silhouette reflects its luxurious status while balancing elegance with dynamism. Under the hood, the 2025 Flying Spur offers a range of engines, including the powerful V8 and W12 options and an efficient hybrid variant. The W12 delivers remarkable horsepower for a serene yet thrilling ride, reaching top speeds that make it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the market. The hybrid option balances performance with fuel efficiency, appealing to eco-conscious buyers without sacrificing power. Advanced all-wheel drive systems, adaptive suspension, and cutting-edge driver assistance technologies contribute to a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether cruising on the highway or navigating urban environments. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur stands as a pinnacle of luxury sedans, merging timeless elegance with modern innovation. It caters to the most demanding drivers with its blend of refinement, advanced technology, and powerful performance options. For those who seek a vehicle that makes a statement while delivering unmatched comfort, the Flying Spur remains an unparalleled choice in the luxury automotive world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.